so today we're going to make a banana cake. We need 3 eggs. Now we need some sugar. Just the whole thing. There we go. Now we're going to use some vanilla sugar. There we go. And now we're going to mix. Hopefully that's enough. Now we're going to smash 3 bananas. Peel it. There we go. We're going to smash. Oh, it's hard. Now we're gonna add the bananas. There we go. And all of that. There we go. And now we're gonna mix it up. Now we're gonna add some flour. I'm gonna put some baking powder in. A little spoon. That's fun. Okay. Yeah. 1 teaspoon. There we go. Now we're gonna add the butter. We're gonna mix it all. It's easy to mix right now. It's getting heavier and heavier. I can feel it. I'm gonna mix just a little bit more. And I think it's good. Let's show it. There we go. Next, to make it a little more tastier, we're gonna add 3 spoons of salsa. First one. Get it off real good. And more. Rush it out. Here we go. Now with that, then we have to mix it all good and nice together. Wow, it's turning brown. If you can see, it's turning brown. I'm gonna put all of this in. Go. Just a little bit. I'm gonna scrape this off. Or I can scrape it off. There's not much left. There we go. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes. There we go. Close it. And there we go. Here's the final result. We just put it down to cool down. This is my cake, and I'm gonna taste it. Amazing! Make sure to subscribe and follow and like. Bye. Love ya.